Hello and welcome back to Ganesh Institute channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to solve a linear equation or a set of linear equations using cross multiplication method. So let's begin with an example. Here question is directly asking you to use cross multiplication specifically in order to solve. You could have used elimination or substitution if question would not have mentioned this bit that you have to use cross multiplication only. But now, because it is the case, you have to use that only. Now, let me explain you the easiest trick to solve any equation, a set of equation using cross multiplication. See, let's say you have a1x, b1y, c1. This is your one equation. a2x, b2y, c2. This is another equation. So in order to solve x and y for this set, just write simply like this: x minus y and 1. And down in denominator, what you need to write is, let's say you have x in numerator, so hide x and write all other coefficients: b1, c1, b2, c2. Now if you have y here, so hide y now and use x and other. So a1, c1, a2, c2. Then when you have 1, that means constant, hide constant and have a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay. Now how you will solve it? Do cross multiplication. b1 c2 minus is in the formula b2 c1. Here minus y upon a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Here a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. So let's use this here. What you have got is x upon b1 c2. b1 is what? 5. c2 is what? So firstly take them onto the left hand side, minus 9 and then 3x plus 2y minus 4, right? So b1 c2, 5 4s are 20, minus b2 c1, b2 is here, c1 is here, b2 is here, c1 is here. So 2 9s are 18, minus 18. Here minus y upon a1 c2. So a1 is 8, c2 is what? c2 is minus 4, right? So 8 4s are 32, minus a2 c1. a2 is 3, c1 is minus 9. So minus 9 3s are 27. So minus 27 equal 1 upon a1 b2. a1 is 8, b2 is 2. So a2s are 16, a2 b1. a2 is 2, b1 is, sorry, a2 is 3 and b1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. So xy minus 20 minus minus plus 18. So minus 2 minus y minus minus plus 32 minus 27 is 5 and 1. So firstly put this as 1 and then, so x is minus 2 from here, and then put y as this. So minus is cancelled with minus, y is 1. So sorry, 5 times 1 is 5. So in this way you can calculate x and y using cross multiplication method. Let's see another example so that you can have better clarity. So in this question, Yash scored 40 marks in a test, 3 marks for right answer for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for incorrect, then the scores would be 50. So how many questions were there? So if you are talking about questions, not answers, so this will have both type of answers, right and wrong, right? So he has answered all the questions. So let's say number of right questions be x and number of wrong questions be y. And what we have to find out? Total x plus y. This is what we have to find out using cross multiplication. It is not mandatory here to use cross multiplication only because it is not mentioned specifically. So you can use elimination or substitution as well. So elimination or substitution as well. Okay. Now, if we talk about here, Right answer in first case 3x. So if right answers are x and one answer will get 3 marks, so 3x. And for losing, so minus charge will be there, I mean minus sign. So 1 mark is for wrong answer, so minus y, and total marks 40. Then in next case, for right marks, for right answers 4 marks for one question, so 4x total, and 2 marks for deduction, so 2y. Total how many marks? 50. So this is your equation. uh, this can be simplified also if you divide it the whole equation with 2. So 2x minus y 25, right? So this is your equation. Now what you do for, or in cross multiplication, you write it this way, right? And then you write in denominator, you write a1, sorry, this is x, right? So you have to hide x. Let me write it here. 3x minus y 40, this is one equation. 2x minus y 25. So you have to take it on to the left hand side also, so minus 40. And in the second equation what you have got is 2x minus y minus 25, correct? So these are your two equations. So you will hide x, this is x, right? So you will hide x in order to get this. So this is minus 1, minus 1 here, then minus 40, then here minus 1 and minus 25. Then what you have got under y? So you have to hide your y part and have 3 minus 40, 2 and minus 25. Then here you have 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Correct. Now do the cross multiplication. Correct. So how you will do? This way. Minus 25 into minus 1, 25. Minus is in formula, and minus 1 times minus 40 will be 40. Then minus y, 25 3s are 75, minus 75. Minus is in the formula, 42s are 80. And here 3 times 1 minus 3, minus is in the formula, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2, so minus minus plus 2. So this is now x by 40 minus 25, that means 10 minus 5, 5, minus 50 because 14 is greater. Then minus y, minus minus plus 80, 80 minus 75 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 is greater, so y. So minus 1. Now you have to place this as equals to minus 1. So xy minus 15 is minus 1. This implies x is plus 15. And one time you have to equate these two. So that means minus y by 5 is equals to 1 minus 1. Minus is cancelled with minus, y is 5. So that means your right questions are 15, your wrong questions are 5. I mean Yash has answered right 15, wrong 5. So total questions are 20. So in this way you can use cross multiplication. Hope you have understood this topic, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.